You know, beautiful souls, I had to come out here in nature. Look at Butters in her little pink jacket. Instant, instant recharge right here, guys. Beautiful. Sun's not quite out, but the energy in here, it's overwhelming. I love it. It's calming. I hope you guys have been flowing, family. I hope you guys have been flowing. The more that I let go of expectations, the more I let go of me, right? Who I think I am, right? Richard, my name. The more I let go of my identity, the more free flowing I am. Guys, why do you think angels can fly, right? Because they don't take things so heavy, right? They carry things lightly, right? And then don't get me wrong, guys. I still get angry. You know, people, you probably see my videos. Oh, it's so full of love, right? No, I get angry. Well, I'm a human, just like you. I am you. But it's like I said all the time, guys. It's whether or not you truly feel this truth with your heart and not just talk about it. Be it. Be it. Be the change you want to be in this world, right? It's like I said before, we all sweep outside our house. The whole street's gonna be clean, guys. Don't let judgments, any sort of blah 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 words stop you from living in your heart, speaking from your heart. Just enjoying this, right? And I understand a lot of people think, oh, it's easy for you to say. You know, you got a job. You know, what if I got problems? What if... Okay, very understandable. I was there, definitely. Probably in a lot worse situation than you can imagine. But you see, guys, and this was before knowing about spirituality or anything, right? You see the creator which is inside you at all times, which is you, which is that thing listening to me now, that primordial awareness, that is the universe, that is the creator. That was always within me, and it never allowed me to quite give up, right? Ooh, look at this spot, guys. This used to be my go-to. Just beautiful. Wow. Look at that. That little voice, that inner voice never allowed me to quite give up. And somehow I was pointed out on the right direction. Somehow I never gave up. If you were to ask me, guys, years ago, I'd be on YouTube right now with beautiful family. I would say you're tripping. But now, here we are. We are New Earth. We're speaking from our heart. Now the battle for control of the ego, because it's all just about able to control. You're never able to dissolve it, because you need, the ego is needed, right, for you to live in this dimension. But watch out, baby. Don't fall. Well, you won't fall, but you've got to allow the ego to work for you. tame that beast and use every day as like a training ground to train that awareness to shine a light every time that ego wants to attach to something, it wants to grab. For example, this whole YouTube thing, right? I upload and I find myself looking at the comments and told myself I wouldn't look at the likes and dislikes. I look at that. My ego attaches. But the beautiful part about meditation and cultivating no mind, I'm able to understand that that is not the truth. The truth is that I am perfect at all times. There is no imperfection, guys. We are beautiful creatures made out of pure magic. Now, remember when I said that I learned from nature? Well, okay, you see those rocks? Okay, you see that river of consciousness, right? It's all together, right? And here are some obstacles. Here's some obstacles in the way of the river of consciousness to flow. Now, you see how the river of consciousness, the water, it's not trying to fight the obstacles. It's not trying to resist them. It is simply taking the form, the shape, around and flowing, finding the path of least resistance in order to rejoin with the superconscious mind, which is what we all are. I love you, beautiful souls. I'm going to get into my meditation. Really wasn't going to upload this. I just wanted to come out here and just work on my internal being, guys, because we've when it comes to knowing thyself, you've got to be selfish, because once you work on yourself and you radiate light from truth, it seeps into others. So it all starts from bettering yourself. Better yourself to better others. Sweep outside that house. Love you, beautiful souls. Hope you enjoyed this little time away from your current awareness. I'll always be with you guys. Always. It's an honor. Namaste.